Hello kids! It's me again, Teacher Grace. And for today's lesson, distinguishing between general and specific statement in Week 3, Quarter 3, English 4. Now get ready, your learner's activity sheets. I have here some pictures. What is this? Cockroach. This one, ant. Correct. This one, fly. Correct. What word can you associate with these three pictures? Correct. Insects. They are all insects. Another picture. Who is this? Andres Bonifacio. This one. Jose Rizal. This one. Melchora Aquino. Now, what word can you associate with them? What is their common word? National heroes. Correct. Another picture. What is this? Gomamela. This one. Sunflowers. This one. Rose. Now, what word can you associate with them? What is their common term? Let's see. Flowers. Correct. Very easy lang, no? They are all flowers. Now, let's go back to the first picture that I have shown you. Okay, these are cockroach, ant, and fly. These words are the so-called specific word. Why? Nga nang specific word man siya? Because kanang cockroach, ant, and fly is their specific name. Mo ginayahang ngalan. Okay? While the word insects is the so-called general word. Insects because daghan pa magklase sa insects, no? Naapay mga bees, no? Fireflies, dragonflies, daghan pagklase sa insects. So that is the called general word. This one. Okay. The names Andres Bonifacio, Jose Rizal, and Melchor Aquino, these names are the so-called specific word. Specify yun kinsa, unsay ngalan. Okay? But when we say national heroes, this is a general term, general word. Okay? Because daghan pa man tag mga national heroes. Okay? So, that's it. This one, gumamela, sunflowers, rose, these are called specific word. While the word flowers is the general word. Okay, nakuha? Because when we say flowers, daghan pag klase sa flowers. Okay? Napay mga dahlia, daisy, bougainvillea, vanda, whatsoever. No? So when we say flowers, that is general word. Kuha? General statement, usually called topic or general idea. It is the case sentence in a paragraph because it names the subject and the controlling idea. The author's main idea, opinion, or feeling about the topic. So when we say general statement, this is the general idea. I have here an example. The child is cleaning the car. Now look at the subject, child. Okay? The child. Dili siya specify. This is the so-called general word. General word man ang child because wala siya giklaro kung kinsa nga child. Unsay ngalan sa child? Babae ba, lalaki, o kinsa man siya? Because the child is a general word. So therefore, this sentence, the child is cleaning the car, is a general statement. Specific statements are the supporting information for the topic, sentence, or main idea. So when we say specific statement, yung supporting information. Now, in this sentence, Danny is washing his jeep. Now, look at the word Danny. Okay? Look at the word Danny here. Danny is a specific name of a person. No? Gi-specify gud niya kinsa man nga bata si Danny, no? The supporting information here is Danny. So, specific man ang pangalan ni Danny, so that is called specific statement. Nakuha? Okay. I will give you another examples. Reading science book is her hobby. Now look at this. Science book. Okay? So, in this sentence, reading science book is her hobby. Unsa man nga libro ang iyahang hilig basahon? Okay, science book. Gi-specify gud niya kung unsa nga klase sa libro ang iyang ginabasa. So, what kind of statement is this? Okay, this is a specific statement. Correct. Another example. Reading book is her hobby. Now look at this. Books. The books here is a general word. Usa man nga klase sa libro because there are so many kinds of books. There are math book, English books, story books, Bible, or encyclopedia. No, there are many kinds of books. So this one or this statement is general statement. Now get ready your learner's activity sheets. I will wait for you. Now let's start with activity 1. Find out the general word in the following group of words. Okay, ang gipangita sa activity 1 ang general word katong ngalan niya nga kinatibukan. Okay? So I will answer number 1 so that it will serve as your guide, and number 2 up to 5 you will do the same. Okay? So number 1, triangle, oval, shape, square. So which of them is the so-called general word? Okay, let me answer. Okay, correct. This one is the general word. Shape. Why? Nga naman. Because kung may tag-triangle, nagyod siya nawong. Nagyod nawong ang triangle. Mawagin na ang triangle. When we say oval, nagyod siya nawong. Pasensyahay lang ang drawing. Then, when we say square, lugit nga mo, gid po niyang square. Ana. So while shape, there is no definite shape. There is no specific kung unsa may iyang nawong shape because this is a general word. So that's why the answer is shape. Okay? Number 2, table, bookcase, furniture, cupboard, bed. Number 3, information, media, magazine, newspaper, internet. Number 4, egg, milk, honey, healthy foods. Number 5, tea, coffee, milk, juice, drink. Okay? So, imuhang pangitaon lang nimo asa sa ilaha ang general word. You have to underline the answer. Ayun na na-drawing like what I do in number 1 ha. Ako lang man ang gi-explain. So, no need to draw na. Imuha lang piliun asa diha ang general word. Okay? Now, let's proceed. Activity 2. Choose the letter of a more general phrase or sentence. Now, general phrase na punta or general sentence. Okay? Number 1. A man, a man is cleaning his motorcycle. B, Paul is cleaning his motorcycle. Now, take note that instruction, choose the letter of a more general phrase or sentence. Asa man diha ang general phrase or sentence? Okay, this one, letter A. Because ang man, walay klaro, dili siya specific. Kinsa man siya nga man. Dagan magklase sa man ay tiguwang na ay batanon. Kinsa man na ay may papa na ay si uncle or si kinsa ba. So dili klaro, man lang ang giingon. So that's why siya ang gitawag nga general sentence. Okay, now number 2. Kamo na ang answer sa number 2 up to 5, okay? Number 2, A. Reading science book is her hobby. B. Reading books is her hobby. Number 3, A. The girl wants a toy. B. The girl wants a small purple ball. 4, A. Getting a message from a male. B. Getting a message from a little boy. 5, sending a letter to the company. B. Sending an inquiry to the company. Activity 3. Choose the letter of a more specific sentence. So, kung kagaina ang atong ipangita, general sentence, a general phrase or sentence, this time, ang ato na pong ipangita is specific sentence na pod. Okay? Ayaw kalibog ha. Una, gaina general. In activity 3, specific na pod ang pangita. Okay, I will answer again in number 1 so that it will serve as your guide, okay? Number 1, reading a lot helps us to have more general knowledge and to be open-minded. Letter B, reading a lot has some advantages. Now, which do you think of these two sentences is the more specific? Okay, correct. The answer is letter A. Because gi-specify niya unsa man ang ikahatag nga advantages sa reading. While in letter B, reading a lot has some advantages. Ningon lang siya og advantages, but wala niya gi-specify unsa nga klase sa advantages ang makuha nimo pag magbasa ka. Unlike in letter A, naagyo iyahang gi-specify, no? To have more general knowledge and to be open-minded. Gi-specify jud niya unsa nga advantages. Okay? Number 2, A, exercise is good for your health. B, jogging is good for your health. Number 3, A, there are many modern electrical tools of communication. B, television, internet, radio, phone are tools of communication. Letter B, A, consuming drugs is very dangerous. B, smoking marijuana is hazardous to our health. 5, A, smoking cigarettes is hazardous. B, smoking cigarettes promotes cough, cancer, and heart attack. Again, choose the letter of a more specific sentence. Now, lastly is our reflection. Identify the general and specific statements in the paragraph. Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. But ako personally, dili na ko ginapa-separate ang answer. Write it directly on the answer sheet. Okay? Pero depende sa instructions sa inyong teacher. Okay? Pero para sa ako, pasuwat na ko directly on their activity sheets. Again, depende sa teacher. Man has always wanted to improve his appearance. Early man put on animal skins and hung strings of beds and stones around his neck. He decorated himself with paint, tattoos, and scars. Bark, leaves, straw, feathers, or whatever material was closest at hand was turned into clothing. Now, sa paragraph na akong gibasa, asa diha ang general statement. Okay? Na-explain na nako ha. Pili lang ka ha. Asa diha asa sentences nga naa sa paragraph ang general statement. Next, asa po diha ang specific statement. Okay? So that ends our lesson in week 3. Bye kids!